Nexus has started their testnet. Okay, if you want to join, there is a link in the description. Please do note it is not a referral link. Okay, there is nothing like referrals on this one. Okay, just use that link and sign up for an account. Just key in your email and sign up for an account, and your dashboard is going to look like this. All you need to do is to just toggle this button. It is going to look like this. Okay, just toggle it on and your node will start running. Okay, but there is a problem with this. Okay, the problem is you need to keep this window open. Okay, if you want this to keep running, one way around it is to run a node. How do you go about doing this? Let me show you. So what you need to do is to come to this website here. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Okay, so once you're here, connect your wallet. So I'm going to click on that. Down here you can see I've got different options. Okay, so I'm going to go with all wallets. Okay, because I want to connect to my Bybit wallet. So now I can connect to my Bybit wallet. I'm going to click on that. Once your wallet is connected, this is going to show. All right, showing your wallet is connected. The next will be to go to the dashboard. Click on that. This is going to show, and you're going to see Nexus here. Okay, so click on deploy. This is going to be displayed. So all you need to do is to pay about $4.99 you've got from February 18th to the 21st of February. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on buy node. That is going to bring you to this page. You need to pay this amount here. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this. Say I want to send TRX, then I will select it. That means I would need to send this amount. Okay, so just select the one you want to make payment through. Okay, depending on the asset you've got somewhere else in your wallet. Okay, maybe on an exchange or on your Web3 wallet. Okay, so say you selected USDT. Okay, go to the network section, click on that and select this right here. You can see the popular one. So after making your choice, okay, the next thing will be to click on proceed to payment. You're going to see the following. Okay, an address where you need to send the money. So just copy it and go to your wallet or exchange and send. Once you're done making that payment, come back to the dashboard, click on this right here, active nodes. You would be prompted to complete form. So click on this and the following is going to show. The next thing will be to key in your node ID. Okay, to get your node ID, come to your Nexus dashboard, go to nodes, click on add node. Down here click on add CLI node. Okay, some number will be displayed. All you need to do is to just copy it and then go back to that place and paste it. Paste that ID here. So the next is please wait for the node to be deployed. After a while the node will get deployed and it will start running. Okay, and that's it. Okay, if you've got any questions, let's hear you in the comment section. Okay, I've got a ton of videos on this channel about testnets, deepings. Okay, check my playlist section and also check my videos. Okay, don't forget to join my Telegram channel and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell. That's how to know when I upload new videos.